Thanks, Jill. Access across the country calls to defund police are meaning some changes for the impacts in other ways, of course, such as different ways to handle situations like a mental health crisis. While law enforcement is not being defunded in Missoula, the city and county are working to bolster resources that include mental health help, as KPAX's Connor McCauley reports.
Law enforcement in Missoula is called upon to do just about everything nowadays, but one thing they might be able to take off their plate is responding to mental health crises. Now, thanks to the city and county, they're developing a mobile mental health crisis team that can respond with better training and better tools to those kind of events. It's a 10-month pilot program to start, but Commissioner Josh Slotnick says that he would rather start trying to come up with a solution than sit aside and wait for stuff to happen.
People involved in government get nervous that their mission is to not make a mistake, and I believe our mission is to try and solve problems. We're trying something that we have not yet tried before, so it's not going to go perfectly, but most importantly, we'll learn from it, and then we'll continue to improve.
A $125,000 grant from Montana DPHHS plus matching funds from the city and county helped get the program off the ground. Officials hope that this will reduce jail and emergency room visits, allowing first responders to use their time more appropriately. They hope to have this up and going in September. In Missoula, Connor McCauley, MTN News.
Officials say research shows that every dollar spent on mobile crisis saves $5 to $7 elsewhere in the mental health and criminal justice systems.